Okay, so I don't know why, but I actually did not invest in a KingCash token or KingCash.io, whatever you want to call it, right? So they're another lending program, right? And I don't know. Never really looked into it, and I watched a video. I don't know. I just never did it. So anyway, so they remind me of like the classic ICO, right? So where you pretty much have like a website, you have a description of the website, and you pretty much give people a price. So you tell people, okay, this is how much it's going to cost if you use Ethereum. This is how much it's going to cost if you use Bitcoins. This is how much it's going to cost if you use any other token. This is how much it's going to cost at this time. This is how much it's going to cost later, right? So, yeah. So they're only going to have 2.7 million in supply during the ICO. I don't know how many will be total supply, but actually it says a little bit lower down here. So pre-sale will be 1.5 million, which is 85 cents each, and you'll get an additional 10% tokens, which means that in total you'll get 1.65. So let's just say you end up picking up 150 tokens, you'll actually get back in return 165. Okay, so that's how that works. And then they say their price point will be about 85 cents. And the reason why I say about, because I'm gonna show you guys in a second. But if you wait until ICO, you'll be picking them up at $1 each, which makes more sense. It makes it easier. Okay, so here it is. Available tokens during ICO will be 4.35, and then total supply will be 21 million. Okay, so the rest of it, I either think will be available later or will be on the mining. Then it says the remainder of the tokens, whatever they won't be selling, will go to their advertising team and other people. Okay, and then all unsold. So let's say they only sell 1 million out of the 4.5 million. That 3 million is gonna be burnt. So there should not be any mining. Okay, so that's usually what that means. There won't be any mining, because if you're gonna burn, that means you don't want to actually have any. So here is why I say about. So we got the pre-sale, right? Per ether, you're gonna get, so for every ether you give, you'll get 555. So for me personally, I probably only want to pick up like maybe 200 tokens. So we'll figure out what the math is, and then I'll invest in this token, maybe 250. I'll probably end up picking up. How to contribute? Either you click on the Ethereum button. This is actually a tutorial. If you click on it, it will take you to a place for you to read it and watch. Or let's just click on it. So if you do Ethereum, this is the website. This is the smart contract you're gonna send it to, and you're gonna get your smart contract. Blah 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 blah. This page should pop up. It'll tell you put in your ERC20, I believe, and then the rest of it will I'm sorry. This is what you'll put in their address. You say the gas. I guess that's what they're showing you there. This is the gas limit. So what is this part? I don't get what this part is. This is my account. I don't know. I don't use parity or whatever this is called. I guess it's saying how many do you want to send. So you send 10. They're saying. And then here, yeah, 10 ethers. So, and then the gas limit and all that good stuff. So that's how it will look when you send it. I'll do a send in 1 second, but I just wanted to make sure we just went through it a little bit. So it just reminds me of like a classic ICO. I don't know which price they're going to honor. So I'll tell you the two prices, then I guess we'll find out. Okay, so I had to go here. I saw how much the gas limit was, and I got this to finally copy, the 0x6B. I copied that. And then what I did was I wanted to check out what the gas was. So here we are. I just sent 0.046. So once you use Jax, you just have to wait for the first confirmation. So the first confirmation should come through in a second. So if this goes through, I do apologize that it's sideways, but if this does go through, and I'm able to purchase, basically 0.46 should get me about 250 if the price is off of Ethereum. Okay, see that? My first confirmation just went through. So the price is, if it's going off of Ethereum, meaning that if 1 Ethereum equals 555, that would indicate that this is, that I should get 200 and, what was it, 250. But if the price does not go off Ethereum and the price goes off the 85 cents, I should get about 240, 260 or whatever it was, maybe less. So we'll click on our confirmation. It should indicate it here. It does not. So for some weird reason, it didn't indicate it. It did not indicate as a smart contract. And there is no, honestly, there is no place here for it to show. You see that? So I don't see where it will show. This kind of makes me like makes me question it. You know what I mean? If this is legit, this is partly why I questioned it. This is why I didn't invest. But I told you guys I was going to give it a shot. So here it is, going to be giving it a shot. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you contributed and you saw your tokens pop up. But as of right now, I don't think it will pop up. I don't see any place for it to go. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, if you want to join and you want to, you know, take a chance, take a chance. I don't think I'm going to, I don't know, personally. Let's see. Let me put my Ether wallet in here. So we sent it. It did not work off of ERC20, which should have easily given me the token amount. I should have told you how many I got. It did not. So it is what it is, you know. So there it is. We'll wait for it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and definitely join us in Telegram.